Hi, and welcome to our 19th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, well, they refer to me as DJ, and I'm from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting and software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today we're going to talk about page orientation. Okay? The difference between page orientation is portrait or landscape. Portrait is where the printing runs parallel to the short edge of the paper. Landscape is where the printing runs parallel to the long edge of the paper. Because many worksheets are far wider than they are tall, such as budgets and sales tables that track expenditure over 12 months, you may find that a wider worksheet page works better if you switch the orientation from portrait mode to landscape. Excel can fit 3 or more columns of information on this page in landscape mode than it can in portrait mode. However, because this page orientation accommodates fewer rows, the total page count for this report increases from 2 pages in portrait mode to 4 pages in landscape mode. So let's take a look. I've devised an Excel spreadsheet like you have seen in our last podcast, just so that we can kind of play around and take a look at different things together. This is a sample of an oh, why don't I have another cup of coffee? Can you tell it's after 3 o'clock? Oh my goodness gracious. Let's just laugh it off and go forward, please. Okay. So, page orientation. Okay, so go up to your top. We've already reviewed home and insert and page layout. We kind of talked about this in the prior podcast as well. The page orientations, your choices are portrait or landscape. If I was to change this chart to landscape, watch the chart. Oh, righty then. Make a fibber out of me. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a Control P. That's what's going to show us. Okay, this is the landscape view, and then if we go back and we click on portrait, and then we do a Control P, this is the portrait one, okay? It's very simplistic, so why I'm having trouble getting it out, I have no clue. Like I said, after 3 o'clock, oh my goodness. Okay, so that's just basically it. The difference between portrait and landscape. That's called orientation. Thank you for taking the time to review Excel with us. There are many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. Let's just hit a Control Save. I'm just kind of nervous at what could happen next. You never know. Oh, goodness gracious. Let's go ahead and toggle this over. Okay. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to the knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little bit more about Excel. We will provide you with complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need, excuse me, with solutions for your everyday business needs that will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient. We would like to take this time to thank you for joining the podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel Program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.